Hi, I'm Crystal, and I'm a graduate of Tooele Technical College of the Industrial Maintenance Automation Technician courses. My experience was just amazing, from seriously the front office to right here in class and neighboring classes, just everywhere. I could tell that the instructors here in industrial maintenance wanted to teach.
Crystal came to us knowing very little about anything in the industrial maintenance department, except a family member had told her that if she learned automation, it pays very well on the outside. So she came to us with the goal of learning the automation. She learned the automation, and now she's got a very successful career outside of the department.
I love the students here. I mean, I thought that, I kind of wouldn't fit in, but no, not at all. Everybody was very just apt to help me. They liked hanging out with me. Then even today at work, I had a kid fist bump me from, from the welding class, and it was just kind of cool. But I fell on hard times. I went down to the DWS down here to see what they could help me with. Carmen Bento. She, an amazing woman. She made me feel like I could do this. And she told me to take a tour, and I did, and right away, the industrial maintenance, that's what I wanted to do.
I really do think she's actually led the way for other women to get into this career field. She's got a really impressive job. She's got a lot of opportunities just waiting for her over the next few years. She's going to be exciting to watch.
It's very rewarding work. You get to create, or you get to problem solve, and that's where it works for me in reality. I'm kind of small, so you wouldn't think it would work for me, but those aspects really do. The best part and the really easiest part about coming here was the flexibility. Well, there's more, because I tell everybody to come here. You can do it, and it's not that hard, I don't believe I would have ever been able to work in the field that I'm in. And while some people may have gotten that opportunity, I would not have. That's a big part.